In this video, I will show you how to search for work or a job on InDeJob. It's very easy, just you should watch and follow this video till the end. So open InDeJob like this. It's going to open in your homepage. So just keep here on the homepage and go here to the search bar, find jobs, and add your title or the title of the job that you want to have. For example, graphic designer. And here add your city or your country that you are looking for. For example, this place. And right now click on search and let's see. And here you can find the available job for you for graphic design. So that's all. Just change the place and change it to any place that you want and you can find. That's all in this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.